Find the equation of the locus of P if A of 5 comma 0 comma B of minus 5 comma 0 and PA minus PB equals to 8. So we solve the problem. So first of all, in the finding of locus of P, let us assume here that point here. Let P of x comma y be the point on the locus. Point on the locus. And given points we write here. What are they given? That A of 5 comma 0 and B of minus 5 comma 0. A of 5 comma 0 and B of minus 5 comma 0. And given condition also there, that is nothing but mod PA minus PB is equals to 8. So PA, what is PA? Distance between P and A point. Okay, so now we write here PA, that is nothing but under root of distance between P and A. So P and A, x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. PB also we write here. Okay, so this is only PA. Now PB. So what is PB? PB also distance, but between these 2 points here, P and B. So what we get here? X minus of minus, that is nothing but plus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Y minus 0 whole square. So we got here PA and PB also. Now by the given conditions here, PA minus PB, mod PA minus PB is equals to 8 is there. So what we take here, first of all, given condition now we write here mod given condition mod PA minus PB is equals to 8. So modulus is there, so mod PA minus PB is equals to, we get here plus or minus 8. Plus or minus 8. Now minus PB take this side, what we get here? PA is equals to plus or minus 8 as it is, minus can change into plus PB. Plus PB. Okay. Now on squaring both sides here. Squaring both sides. On squaring both sides. So what we get here? See here, that implies PA square plus or minus 8 plus PB whole square we get here. Plus PB whole square. So PA square. So PA square is nothing but, already we got here PA. PA square is nothing but squaring this one. So we get here directly we write here x minus 5. PA already we got here, that is x minus a. That one is PA square we write now. X minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 is nothing but y minus 0 whole square as it is we write here. Then after we are cancelling that one. Okay. Now a plus b whole square plus 8 square, that is 64. Next plus b square, pb square. Okay, 2ab, but plus or minus 2ab we write now. 2 into 8, 16, pb we get here. Okay, now see here x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, that equals to 64, plus pb square, that is x plus 5 whole square, plus y minus 0 whole square, plus or minus 16 pb as it is. So y minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square cancel, both are cancel. Okay, now what we get here, x minus 5 whole square, that is x square plus 25 minus 10y, so 10x. Okay, x square plus 25 minus 10x, 64 plus x square plus 25 plus 10x, plus or minus 16 pb as it is. Okay, so both sides here, x square cancel, 25 also cancel. Okay, so plus 10x is there, minus 10x is there, so take this side. What we get here, 64 plus 10x plus or minus 16 pb plus 10x we get here, that equals to 0. Okay, so what we get here, 10x plus 10x 20x, so 20x plus 64 is equals to remaining value, this you take this side here, plus or minus continue to again minus or plus, both are same, minus or plus or minus. Okay, now take common here, 4 take common, 4 5s are 4 16s are plus or minus 16 pb we get here. So 4 1s are 4 4s are, so what we get here, 5x plus 16 is equals to plus or minus 4 pb we get here, plus or minus 4 pb. Okay, so now again squaring here, again squaring both sides. Now what we get here, see here, 5x plus 16 whole square, that equals to plus or minus whole square, plus square is nothing but plus, minus square also plus we get it. So plus or minus will be continuing to plus, 4 square 16 pb whole square, so 5x plus 16 whole square, that equals to 16 pb whole square, that is nothing but pb whole square, square would cancel, we get here x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, Now a plus b whole square apply, so 25 x square plus 16 whole square, that is nothing but 16 whole square, 256 we get here, 256 plus 2ab plus 2ab, 5 square 25 square plus 16 square 256, 2ab 2 into 5 10x, that is nothing but 10 into 16 160x, that equals to, now right here 16 of x plus 5 whole square, x square plus 25 plus 10x plus y minus 0 whole square is nothing but y square. Okay, now 25x square plus 256x plus 160x, that equals to 16x square, 25 into 16, that is how much, 25 into 16, that value is nothing but 400, plus 160x plus y square, 160x plus y square. So total values take there, say any side, take anyone, see here, or we are cancelling both sides here, both sides 160x is there, so both sides cancelled. So remaining values we write now here, 25x square plus 256, that equals to 16x square plus 400 plus y square, 16y square, 16y square, 16 into x square, 16x square, 16, 25, 400, 60 into 10, 160, 60 into y square, 16y square. Okay. Now total values take this side one side. So 25x square plus 256 or 256 take that side. So remaining values take this side. X comma y variables take this side. So minus 16x square minus 16y square. So that equals to 400 as it is. Now take this side 256. So 25x square minus 16x square. How much? That is 9x square minus 16x square is equals to 144 we get here. Okay. On dividing both sides by 144, what we get here? X square by 16, y square by 9, that equals to 1. So on dividing both sides by 144, we get here x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equals to 1. So this is the equation of the locus.